Hi dear all students. So in this today's maths video we are going to take our fractions lesson practice set 9 question number 1. See students, this lesson is very important for your ahead classes also. You already learned some basic parts in 5th standard also, and now in a more deep way you have more examples. Definitely students, very slowly we are going. This lesson have last set is 13, so total 4 set we have to solve. 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Sorry, 5 sets are there, and these 5 sets we have to solve in a very slow way because your understanding is very important. Maybe number change in exam, but concept will remain same. So I hope you understand. In the last video I completed my introductory part and 2 types of conversion methods, that is conversion of mixed number into improper and improper fractions into mixed number. So depend on that explanation, let us take our question number first. Question I'm reading, student. Convert into improper fractions. This we want to convert into improper fractions, and 5 examples are given here, which are given in which form? QRD. QRD form examples are there. I'm taking examples from this textbook and I will show you how to convert this in improper fraction, means numerator upon denominator. So see students, for the solution purpose, question number first, convert into improper fractions. So first example, how to read student? 7 is complete number, so say 7. At the center of 7 you have to give this line, 7 and 2 upon 5. I'm taking this question from textbook only student, page number 22. You also, if you have textbook, when you are after my listening video, when you are writing in your notebook, please write with your own mind. Take textbook in front of you, write questions from that, and then you try to solve how I taught you. You follow and you try your own way. Don't copy please from the link or video or the attachment given to you. That is for your understanding, not for copywriting. So this always I'm giving you instructions. So this is form student here, Q R upon D. So how we do conversion of this? You remember, for your practice I am writing purposely the way of conversion. D I write as it is as a denominator, mark big one line, and downside write D as it is. Then we have to do product of this Q and D. So Q multiply by D and addition of remainder, that is R. So this is your format of conversion for improper fraction. In every example it is you please keep habit to write this conversion formula, so your mistakes will not happen. So according to conversion, we'll start to write. For the calculation part, mark a line. This line is important students. Some students not marking this line, but they feel that notebook already have line, but this line indicate division there students, so mark it. Here D is our, yes, 5. So keep writing this denominator first as it is, what is there in the fraction part, 5. So write 5 as it is. Now take this full number first, 7 as it is. Then 7 multiply by denominator 5 plus 2. And we have to do first multiplication. Go from this side only for solving. So your answer you can write directly after calculation part. 5 will be as it is. Okay. Do your calculation, students. 7 5s are, yes, 7 5s are 35. If you don't know 7's table, you must know table till 20 now, students. You say table 5 till 7. 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. Both the way are correct. 35 plus 2, 37. So this is your final answer. This is called as a conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. Hope so you understand, students. Now second one is there, 5 and 1/2. This is a way of reading. Same way, student, write QR/D is equal to D as it is, Q multiply by D plus R. You please follow, write same way in your notebook, and you are also in exam. Write the calculation part, mark a line, downside is 2, write the 2 as it is, upside take 5, multiply by 2, this product, plus upside, that is 1. Now do calculations and write answer in the box. This way you will adjust 2 as it is. Now do the product first. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Hope so you understand this also. Understand this much work may come in exam for just 2 marks. Ahead, students, you already done this in 5th standard also. Depend on this conversion, your ahead set is depend where you are adding and subtracting the numbers. So I hope you remember all that. Third problem, 4 and 3/4. So you write always now this form. I'm not writing now. QRD is equal to Q multiplied by D plus R upon D. So this conversion answer will come this margin line. You write now format of student or formula, you may say 4 denominator as it is. This 4 multiplied by 4 and plus upside, that is 3. So your answer will be 4 4s are, yes, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19/4. So this way your answers will be there and you complete in your notebook. Homework I am giving now 4th and 5th problem, student. Those don't have textbook, for them I am writing on the page, so they will get attachment for homework. But as early as possible you purchase, please, no textbook, student. Say to your papa to go to shop and purchase for you textbook, or you may take old one from your friends. So these 2 problems you will solve, student. 2 and 5/9, 1 and 5/7. So I hope you understand the proper way of conversion of improper fractions. This mixed number we converted into improper fraction. Hope so all of you understand. Do this today's work, do with your own way. If any doubt, ask me in Zoom meeting when we will visit to each other. Definitely keep your doubts ready. If you not understand, my solution for you is best option, student. Listen video again. Same video, listen again. Which problem you have problem not understanding, please listen the same video again. Best solution. You will definitely understand second time and complete the work. Till that time, be safe, take care, remain safe with your family members. Have a nice day, student. Thank you. Bye bye.